Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everybody. Welcome back to EB015 Basic Engineering for our practical computer design CAD task 1 plane drawing. So in this task 1, we have looked at part 1 and now we're going to look at part 2. We're going to complete the drawing. So before we carry on, please remember to sign in your attendance and refer to your lecturer for the attendance. Right, so learning outcomes at the end of this lesson, students should be able to perform 2D drawing using AutoCAD. And these are the procedures that we're going to look at. You can refer this in your Basic Engineering 1 lab manual. And this is the drawing that we like to have by using AutoCAD. So we have already done the title block. Now we look at how to draw the drawing. So first, let's draw horizontal line with the length of 145 mm. Just use line and give the distance. Now we want to use offset. We want to draw, because this is our reference line, we want to draw the top and bottom line. This is the line at the middle. So the total width is 12 mm, so we have to divide into 2, 6 and 6. So I bring 6 mm to the top and 6 mm to the bottom. Now we would like to draw the circle, and we have to specify the radius. Okay, another circle, specify your center and then specify the radius, 22 mm. The bigger one is 45 mm. Alright, now we're gonna have our next circle with diameter. So make sure you select diameter there. You select diameter and give the dimension, which is 45 mm diameter. And now how to draw the polygon. So we'll go to this box here and select polygon. Okay, and we have to specify the number of sides. So we want to draw polygon. So 6 mm and 6 sides, and then click enter. So we have to specify the center and then select inscribed option. Right, please pause the video and find out the difference between circumscribed and then inscribed. So we have our polygon right now. So now we want to draw the extension for this line here. If we refer to the lab manual drawing, you can see the line there is extending, and it will intersect the circle, the small circle, and then from the small circle it will have 7 mm length. So we're gonna draw another line there, and then just bring to the side, to the left side, and give 7 mm distance, and then enter, and give the width, which is 12 mm, and bring straight to the other line, to the other point. Alright, so we want to use trim right now. So we just command trim and then select the lines that we don't want to have. Okay, again, this is AutoCAD 2021. So if you have a different version, older version of AutoCAD, it will be a little bit different, and I need you to explore how to do the trim. It will not have much different. It's easy. At least you know the trim concept. Alright, we want to create the tangent line. So make sure at object snap, we select and tick tangent, and make sure you off center and quadrant. Otherwise it will be difficult to track. So now we can track the tangent there. You can see the tangent tracking, and just click and click, and now you have the tangent. Okay, that's it for our drawing. So I'm gonna show you how to move. Okay, just select the object and type move, and select your base point anywhere, and this will be your base reference point, and just bring it anywhere that you want. Okay, now we're going to look at how to create dimensions. So we go to annotate menu, okay, and select this box here, the arrow, and select manage dimension. Okay, and go to create new dimension, and make a copy of ISO 25, and then just create. Alright, over here just simple go to the primary unit. At the precision, change it to only no undecimal place, no decimal place. And then okay, and that's it. Not much to change. Close. And make sure you are selecting the copy of ISO 25 right now to draw your dimension. Now let's do our dimension. You can select the dimension here at this icon here, or you can just simply command dim, DIM, and then enter, and then you can select. Now I'm selecting linear. Okay, now I'm trying to select a line, a dimension from the center to the other center, but it's quite difficult right now because I cannot track the center because I didn't ticking on the center. Now I have on tick the center to center and bring my dimension there. Now we have our first dimension. I'm adjusting that line on the left side and the right side so that it will be similar as our drawing in the manual lab. Now we have another dimension, still linear. Select on the intersection, not in the middle one, the intersection. So it should be 84. Okay, and this is the wrong one. Okay, not this one. We want from the intersection. Okay, there and there, the bottom one. 84. Now we want to dimension here. The width should be 12 mm, and the small distance there, the small length should be 7 mm. And make sure you put down all these dimensions aligned to each other, so it will look neat and professional. Alright, now we want to another one. Alright, this one to this one. In here again, I bring it so that it's aligned to the other dimensions. Okay, now we're going to look at radius dimension. Just select radius dimension here and select the circle. So I'm selecting the smaller one first, and then another one. Click the bigger one. Right, the other dimension is, I can see here they're showing arrow here. Right, another dimension here. On the right circle, we want to measure the diameter, not the radius. So make sure you select diameter dimensioning and click the circle, and then you have our diameter dimension right now. Okay. Alright, so we want to make an AM text for the title at the center here. So just select anywhere, create the box, and now we want to put down name. So figure AC1. Okay. Alright, select properties. Because the size is quite small right now, we want to make it a bit bigger. So you go to properties and go to the text and change the height here. So let's change it to 3.5. Okay, and now it's a bit bigger. Close the properties. Okay, and just move it a little bit so that it looks much nicer. Now we have our drawing. So we want to save our file here. So just click on this icon, or you can just command Q save, Q SAVE, and then enter. So we want to select our file location. Just select any file location that you want. So I'm just gonna go with this one and name with the right and proper name. So this is task 1. Okay, plain drawing, and then save. And this is our final drawing with the title block and also with the drawing and the dimension. Alright, so for your task part 2, please draw task 1, plain drawing AC1 by yourself. Thank you very much, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and goodbye.